Hello there, this is Alana Tucky, and I've been asked a question about this problem, which is 1.3.7. So if you open up your textbook, you can see over in the right corner it says 1.3.7. So if you had a physical textbook or if you opened up in the online textbook in my math lab and you open to the homework section for 1.3, you would see this problem as number 7. Now this problem has been selected for homework or for a quiz or whatever, so I don't know exactly where it's going to show up in your homework assignment, but that's the actual number. Okay, so let's see here. We are going to view an example. We're not going to do the actual problem. So we have a student entering a doctoral program in educational psychology is required to take or select 2 courses from the list of courses provided as part of his or her program. List all possible 2 course selections. Okay, so this could be for anything. So there are often times when you have 4 options, or in this case 5 options, 705, 722, 734, 746, and 697, and you have to choose 2 of them. And then the question becomes, how many options are there then? And that's what you're trying to find. So I'm going to use Excel to help me with this, not because I need Excel. You could actually just write it down on paper. So I just want to write down what are the courses. So I have 705, 722, 734, 746, and 697. And again, it does not have to be written down in Excel at all. I'm just using Excel because it's a convenient way for me to type. Okay, now I need course number 1 and course number 2. And the order here doesn't matter. You're just trying to take 2 courses, right? It doesn't say one's first and one's second. It just wants 2 courses. So that means you can't have repeats because you can't take 705, say, and 705. That's no good. And then you can take 705, and then you need to have a different course. And it doesn't matter which one's first or which one's second. So if I take course 705 to be my first one, which is the research and child development, then I could take 722 as my second one, or 734, or 746, or 697. All right, so there's 705 in the lead. So let me make that yellow. So there is with 705 in the lead. I have exhausted the possibilities with 705. I took all 4 of these possible courses. So now I'm going to move on and make 722 my first course. I'm going to label this green. So, all right, now with 722 in the lead, I've already done 722 with 705 because that's right here. So I don't need to do 705. What I could do is 734, 746, and 697. And those are the ones that have 722 in the lead. All right, now I need 734. You can see where this is going, hopefully. Notice that this one had 4, this one has 3 combinations. 734 only has 2 possibilities after it. So it has 746 and 697. And then the last one is 746 in the lead, and then 697 is after it. I'll make that blue so you can see that. Okay, so this is the one that has these 2 in the lead, and then this one has 734 in the lead. Okay, so once you hit 734, there's only 2 combinations because there's only 2 numbers below it. Once you hit 746, there's only 1 number below it. And again, you don't have to consider 746 with any of the numbers above it because you already got them. Like 746 was right here with 705, and right here with 722, and right here with 734. So you've already taken care of those combos. And then for the problem, you basically go back and then check all the ones. So and then you basically click on all of them that it works for. So if I look back at the problem, you would select every single one that it shows up for. Okay, which in this case would be 10 of them, right? Because there's 10 different samples. I think it's 10. 5, or no, excuse me, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's 10. Okay, next. What else do we need? Comment on the likelihood. Oh, okay. So what are the chances that, in this case, 630 and 645 will be selected? This is my example. 630 and 645. 630 and... Oh, did I? Hold on. Oh, they changed it here for me. Hold on one second. Let me read this. Yeah, because it looks like they have the wrong numbers. Oh, they do. So they wrote 630 and 645 up here, but 630 and 645 are not in this. I'll email them in a little bit to let them know that that doesn't make any sense. But they're talking about, yeah, they're talking about 734 and 697. Okay, well, if they get their numbers straight, 734 and 697 is which one? 734, 690, that's this one right here. make it red or something so you can see it. Okay, so that's one combination out of the 10, so that's got a 1 in 10 chance. So that would be part B. 734, comma 690, what was that? 697 has a 1 out of 10 chance. All right, so we're all done with that problem, and I hope that helps with your work for a problem similar to this, but won't have exactly the same numbers. I'll see you back here for more tutorials.